Hey everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. If your files keep getting saved to OneDrive instead of your computer, it can quickly become frustrating. In this video, I'll show you how to change that and save everything directly to your PC instead, in the most easy way. Okay, let's get started. I'm starting with a Word file as a document and I'm opening it. As you can see, it's a blank Word file, so let me write something. Yeah, I just wrote something and I want it to be an autosave file, and you can see at the top left corner it's not autosaving right now because the function is off. To turn it on, I'm toggling to turn on, and as you can see it's asking me to choose my OneDrive file, as autosave feature is only for the OneDrive ones. It doesn't save in your actual file document or the actual computer documents you're talking about. It doesn't actually save there. So to save it in your computer actual document file, click on the file option at the top left corner, and from here from the left side menus, click on save as, not the save one, save as. And from here, you will see by default it will be selected on the OneDrive Personal, but we want to save it in our PC's document. So click on Browse from the options, and here a small window will pop up. Here you can see it has also by default selected in the OneDrive section, but I want to save in the actual document one. So from there, scroll down and click on select this PC. Then I want to save it in the local disk C, so I'll choose this. From here, scroll down and click on the user section. The name labeled users. Double click on it, and from here go to the another folder where your PC name is there, the username. Like my username is SBPRA, and you can be anyone what you have saved with. So I'm clicking on it, double click on it, and from here scroll down and click search for the document section. Here I found it already, the my document one. Double click on it and then click on save. Okay, your file has saved there. Let's see, as I have saved it before, right, in the same folder. So let's see if there is two folder or not. Okay, double click on the file explorer, then similarly go to this PC, local disk C, then the user folder, then from here your user named folder, then where is my document? Here is the document folder. Yes, my two projects I have saved here. You have seen it, it had worked very perfectly. Okay, let's then see how we can also save images. The images are similarly, right click on the image. I just want to save this Huskies image in my picture folder, in the PC's picture folder, or not the OneDrive's picture folder. So right click on it, click on save image as under the open image in new tab option. Okay, in the folder, similarly go to this PC, then local disk C, then scroll down, go to the users one, click on your username folder, then scroll down and see where is the picture folder. Okay, I found the picture folder. Now double click on it and click on save. Okay, let's now see if the picture has saved or not. I have already went to the path, and where is my username? Yes, here is the picture one. Yes, I found it. Where is the picture? Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you a lot. If you found this video helpful, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective. See you in the next video. Bye.